Here we go. Select draft picks 29. Four boxes. Pick your color 29. Thank you, Scar, for killing. This is definitely the last break. All right, good luck, guys. Thanks, Scar, for killing. Silver of Kittle. Archie Hyper. Nice. Color match for the Volunteers. The Giant. Galen Hyatt to 49. Cameroon Peoples. Bryce Silver. Silver of Christian Watson. Gibbs Purple for Axel. 12th pick. And look at that auto. Look at that auto for Scar. First overall pick by the Patriots. Christian Gonzalez. Nice hit. A good one. That's a goodie. Addy. Bryce and Kincaid. Bijan. Devin for the Dolphins. Silver. Breeze red. Coburn kid. Anthony Richardson phenomenon. Not a silver. Hyatt silver. Tie-dye. Tie-dye of Tyler Lockett. Archie Manning tricolor. Noah Sewell. Rock. Gibbs silver. Luke. Addy. Stroud silver for Ark. Juju orange. All the autos have been good in this case. This sort of is a hot case. Zach Evans. Great autos. Hurts. Gronk. Ronnie Bell auto. Will Silver. Richardson Silver. JPJ for the Steelers tricolor. Kenny McIntosh, the Seahawk. Autos have been great. Zach Evans. Amon Ra. Bootsy on the hyper. Hendon Hooker purple. Are you kidding? This is a super hot case. This is ridiculous. These autos have been literally nuts. Zay Flowers. These autos have been insane. Literally insane. This has been one of the best auto breaks I've seen. You know, Scar? I'll add another case of this to the store. I have a couple things to add when I'm at home tonight. I'll have more mosaic. I'll add more of this. We have more cases. Dan Marino. Red. Quentin. Tricolor. Is that Jackson Smith? Is that a tie-dye? Axel tie-dye non-auto. Jackson Smith in the jig bit at 25. This case has been fire, man. Absolute fire. Up. And there's the color wheel for the case. Tim Tebow. That's going to go to TJK. TJK is going to get a Tim Tebow color wheel. That means the zebra's coming too. Archie Orange. What the? Scar! Wow! Look at you, Scar. Damn. This case is amazing. This case is actually amazing. There's the zebra. Brock. Will purple. AJ red, 400 points. Zay. Jackson. Tyree silver. McIntosh try. Hutchinson hyper. Brandon Joseph. Signature. Why not? Why not? For Scar. Just take a Gibbs also. I think you just got like most of the elite rookies in auto form in this break alone. Wait, it's not lying. Armento. There you go, Justin. There you go, Justin. What a break. Zebra. JT. For Gio in Brazil. Giovanni. The JT. There you go, brother. Nice hit. Great break. Great break. It's a super hot case. You should be attacking the last one. It doesn't matter that these cards came out. It's completely irrelevant. These breaks have been so good. Especially this one. This one was fire. Zay Flowers auto. Gibbs. Christian Gonzalez auto. Zach Evans auto. Gibbs auto. JT. Jackson /25. Tim Tebow color wheel. Hendon Hooker tie-dye auto. Ridiculous break. Yeah. All right, let me random this. Out. Nine. Nine times. Dice. Color wheel spot. JK. That's the break.